Now the topic is chemical properties of 15th group elements. In that oxidation states, these 15th group elements common oxidation states -3 plus 3 plus 5, -3 plus 3 plus 5 common oxidation states. These 15th group elements tends to exhibit -3 oxidation state. This -3 oxidation state decreases in the group due to increasing of metallic nature. Top to bottom the metallic nature going to increases. Metallic nature, metal means it is going to lose the electrons. Metal, what is the nature of the metal? Metal is going to lose the electron. Sodium, it is going to lose to form Na plus, okay, and iron, it is going to form Fe plus 2 state, Fe plus 3 state, like that. Metal is going to lose the electrons like this. The -3 oxidation state decreases in groups due to increasing of metallic nature. Metals are going to show the oxidation state plus because of loose. What is meant by minus and plus? Minus, for example, we initiated -1, -2, -3, like that. Minus means it is gained. For example, you take NH3, in that nitrogen is more electronegative, it is going to abstract the electron from the hydrogen. So, it shows -3 oxidation state. Okay, and PCl3, in that chlorine is more electronegative than phosphorus. So, the phosphorus shows +3 oxidation state. That means the electron lost by the phosphorus gained by the chlorine atoms. Okay. So, that is the reason we initiate minus and plus, -3 plus 3. So, the tendency to exhibit this 15th group elements -3 oxidation state. So, that is decreases in groups, due to increasing of metallic nature. And bismuth hardly shows +5 oxidation state, The stability of +5 oxidation state decreases and +3 oxidation state increases due to inert pair effect. What is that inert pair effect? That means Ns electrons are not involved in okay, not involved in any bond formation, For example, we take that arsenic, by using of argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. So, in that 4s electrons are not involved, presence of 3d orbital, innerly 3d orbitals are present between the 4s and 4p, the ns electrons are not involved. So, 4s 3d 4p. So, the outermost one is 4p is there. So, these in that innerly 3d is present. So, this 4p electron, 3p electrons are going to lose easily, but ns electrons are not involved because of these are present in inner side. 3d, 4d, 5d, 4f, these orbitals are involved present. Due to presence of these orbitals, the s electrons, this s, 4s, 5s, 6s, these electrons are not involved in any bond formations. Okay, so only these electrons are going to involve. So these electrons are lost by these elements, and in this position these electrons are going to lose easily, this s and p. Due to presence of inert pair effect, this element shows the +3 oxidation state. Okay, so the +3 oxidation state going to increases in down the group. The stability of +3 oxidation state increases in down the group. This one arsenic 3d10 4s2 4p3. So these electrons are not involved, and stibulin in this 5s2 electrons are not involved. These 5s2 s electrons are not involved. So due to presence of this inert pair effect, the stability of +3 oxidation state increases and +5 oxidation. So if the s electrons and p electrons are involved, that is shows the +5. So it is only involved by the p3 only, p3, 4p3, 5p3. So that means it is going to show the +3. So +3 oxidation state is increases and +5 oxidation state is decreases. Nitrogen exhibits -3 to plus 5 oxygen states. Nitrogen exhibits minus 3 to plus 5 oxygen state. Now we have some examples. NH3, ammonia, NH2, NH2, NH2 single bond, NH2 hydrazine, and this is a hydroxylamine NH2OH and dinitrogen N2. Okay, in this the ammonia shows minus 3 oxygen state, so that is going to calculated by the one of the formula. Is nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so nitrogen taken as X, X plus, and how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Hydrogen have the plus 1, 3 into plus 1 equal to 0, X plus 3 equal to 0, and X equal to minus 3. So nitrogen, what is the oxygen state of the nitrogen? Minus 3. Okay, and in this NH2 single bond NH2, 2 nitrogens, you take 2 X plus how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens, 4 into plus 1, 2x plus 4, 2x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 2, 2 2 ja 4, so x equal to minus 2. So oxygen state is of this nitrogen is minus 2. And next one, for this one, nitrogen is taken as X plus and 2 hydrogens, 2 into plus 1, and our OH is minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1, X plus 2 into plus 1 plus 2, and 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, X plus 1, X equal to minus 1. So this is the oxygen state minus 1. By following this way, we are going to calculate the oxygen state easily. And what about this one, nitrogen? N2, between the two nitrogens, so nitrogen triple bond N. So this is a nitrogen, there is no electronegative difference. So in this, nitrogen oxygen state is 0. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Dinitrogen oxide, it shows the nitrogen shows the plus 1 oxygen state. Two nitrogen atoms is there. In that nitrogen oxygen, which one is more electronegative than nitrogen? 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 X plus oxygen shows the minus 2, 1 into minus 2, 1 oxygen, 1 into minus 2. So 2x minus 2, 2x equal to plus 2, 2 1 ja 2, x equal to plus 1 oxygen state. So this dinitrogen oxide is plus 1 oxygen state. And NO, nitrogen monoxide, in that nitrogen shows plus 2 oxygen state, x plus 1 into minus 2, x minus 2, x equal to plus 2 oxygen state. Next one is dinitrogen trioxide, N2O3, dinitrogen trioxide. In this, the oxygen state of nitrogen is, how many nitrogens is there in this? 2, 2x plus how many oxygens? 3, 3 into oxygen shows minus 2 equal to 0, and 2x, 3 into 2, 6, minus 6, and 2x equal to minus taken into right side plus 6, and x equal to plus 6 by 2, 2 3 ja 6. So x equal to plus 3. So this nitrogen oxygen state is plus 3. Here NO2, nitrogen dioxide oxygen state is plus 4. In this, nitrogen is X plus 2 oxygen atom, 2 into minus 2, and X 2 to the 4 minus 4, X equal to plus 4. Oxygen state of NO2 is plus 4, and also we take the N2O4. In this also nitrogen have the oxygen state is plus 4. We take in this 2 nitrogen, 2x plus 4 oxygen, 4 into minus 2, 2x, 4 to the 8 minus 8, 2x equal to plus 8, 2 4 ja 8. X equal to plus 4. Next one N2O5 dinitrogen pentoxide. Dinitrogen pentoxide, in that nitrogen shows plus 5 oxygen state. In that N2O5 2 nitrogens 2x plus 5 oxygens 5 into minus 2 2x 5 into 2 is 10 minus 10 2x equal to plus 10 x equal to 10 by 2 5 x equal to plus 5. So, by the following these examples, nitrogen oxygen state is minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. As for this sentence, the nitrogen shows minus 3 to plus 5 oxygen state by the following these examples. Nitrogen maximum covalency is 4. Available orbitals are the 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals. The nitrogen atomic number 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3. So, available orbitals are s and 2p, these are outermost one. In that 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals. Okay, 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals are available. The bonds are going to formed by these s orbitals and 3 p orbitals only. So, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So, the covalency is, maximum covalency is 4 only. And in this, the nitrogen no available of d orbitals. Nitrogen does not contain d orbitals. So, that is the reason nitrogen maximum covalency is 4 only. So, this 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, next 3s2, 3p6. After that 4s2, 3d. So, that means the non-availability of d orbitals are present in nitrogen. That is the reason nitrogen shows maximum covalency is 4 only. And heavier elements have the vacant d orbitals, so covalency is more than 4. So, after the nitrogen, phosphorus 3s2 3p, 3s2 3p, next 4s2 3d, 3d. So, the 3d orbital availability also present in this phosphorus. Now, also is there 4d and 5d, 6d availability of d orbitals are present after. So, after the nitrogen remaining heavier elements have vacant d orbitals, so covalence is more than 4. For example, PF6 taken, PF6 minus nitrogen or anomalous behavior of nitrogen. In that, the nitrogen in the 15th group elements, the first element is nitrogen. Nitrogen is starting element, atomic number 7, small size, electronegativity and ionization enthalpies. Due to the small size, so nitrogen shows high electronegativity and ionization enthalpies, and non-availability of d orbitals also is there. It is ability to form, the nitrogen ability to form p pi multiple bonds, does not going to form p pi d pi does not going to form because of non-availability of d orbital, and it is going to form p pi multiple bonds. That is the reason nitrogens have the between the two nitrogens triple bond is there. We observe between the two nitrogens one sigma bond, two pi bonds are present. So, the bond enthalpy is 941.4 kilojoule mole inverse. Due to the small size and high electronegativity, this nitrogen going to form triple bond between the two nitrogens. Triple bond is present due to overlapping of p orbitals, and overlapping of p orbitals is there, close overlapping is take place. Elements of this group does not form p pi bonds. Phosphorus pp, for example p4 availability, p4 is there, in that p4 p like this. Between the phosphorus single bonds are present. This phosphorus arsenic antimony form single bonds, pp phosphorus arsenic antimony atom, while bismuth is forms metallic bonds in elemental state. Bismuth single bond in nitrogen is weaker than single bond of pp bond because of high interelectronic repulsions of non-bonding electrons. So, the higher interelectron repulsions are present in non-bonding electrons of the nitrogen, but In this, the internal repulsions are less because of this large size, because of the small size. P5 bond formation take place by the nitrogen between the two nitrogens. Between the two nitrogens, one is sigma bond, another two is pi bonds. That is a pi bond is formed by the p pi overlapping of atomic orbitals. The p pi overlapping is present in nitrogen and absence in heavier elements. Nitrogen cannot form p pi d pi bonds because of non availability of d orbitals, and heavier elements are going to form p pi d pi bonds, like the examples R3PO, R3P, double bond CH2, alkyl group. These are p pi d pi bonds, p pi d pi bonds formed by the this one R3P double bond O, R3P double bond CH2. Phosphorus arsenic can form d pi bonds also with transition metals. With the transition metals, they are going to form d pi bonds also. For example, you take one of the metal bonded with PPH3. In that phosphorus metal bond with PPH3 as a ligand, we call as this is a ligand and this is a metal. In transition metals, the coordination compounds. So, in coordination complexes, the ligands are going to bonded with metals. In that, which ligand? The phosphorus having ligand. In that, phosphorus going to form d pi bond with metals. Which metals? Transition metals. So, when these compounds act as ligands, these ligands are bonded with metal atoms with d pi overlapping. Reactivity towards the hydrogen. All these 15th group elements form hydride is a EH3 type. EH3 type, that means E means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Okay, so EH3 means they like NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3, BiH3 like that. So in that hydrides, the stability of hydrides is following this way. NH3 is more stable than PH3, PH3 is more stable than ASH3, ASH3 is more stable than SBH3, SBH3 more stable than BiH3, bismuth hydride. This is a, so the stability of hydrides from the top to bottom in groups decreases. And reducing nature, reducing means that means reduction nature. So the reduction take place by using of these those elements. Those are called as reducing elements are reducing compounds. So these hydrides NH3, PH3, ASH3, SBH3, BiH3. So the reducing power is going to increases from the top to bottom. So in that groups NH3 nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So the hydride formations from the nitrogen to bismuth. These hydrides, the reducing power going to increases from the top to bottom, reducing power going to increases due to the large size of ammonia is a mild reducing agent. So bismuth is strong reducing agent because of the large size of bismuth, and these are mild reducing agent because of the nitrogen small size. Okay, and basic nature, basic character. Basic nature is going to decreases from the top to bottom because of the increasing of atomic size. Basic nature means obstruction of H plus. H plus obstructed by these elements is easily. NH3 it is going to form NH4 plus also. Nature is going to decreases, so the NH3 is more basic than BiH3. So because of this small size, the size decreasing of atomic size, the basic nature is going to decreases from the top to bottom. So NH3 is more basic than PH3 and PH3 more basic than ASH3. So like this, the basic nature is going to decreases. One of the question, PH3 has lower boiling point than NH3. PH3 is a lower boiling point than NH3. Why? So due to the presence of the hydrogen bonding Nitrogen is more electronegative. It is going to form the bond with hydrogens. Inter NH3. So this nitrogen is going to form a bond with another hydrogen of the ammonia, like this. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present. By the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, NH3 is a NH3 is more boiling point than PH3. PH3 is lower boiling point than NH3. NH3 molecules associated through the hydrogen bonding. PH3 does not associate due to lack of the hydrogen bonding. Small size and high electronegativity. NH3 involve hydrogen bonding. And after this, next one is reactivity towards the oxygen. So all these 15th group elements to form a oxides, E2O3 and E2O5. E2O3 and E2O5, in that E2O5 is more acidic because of the, it shows the plus 5 oxygen state. It shows plus 3 oxygen state. The oxides, in which of the oxide is contain higher oxygen state, those oxides are more acidic than lower oxygen state oxide. The acidic character decreases down the group. Okay. So acidic character is decreases down the group from the nitrogen to bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So these are N2O3, P2O3. So like this, these oxides acidic nature is going to decreases. This nitrogen, phosphorus are purely acidic, and arsenic antimony S2 As2O3, Sb2O3. Arsenic antimony is amphoteric nature. Amphoteric nature means, that means it acts as a sometimes acidic and sometimes basic. That is called as amphoteric nature. And bismuth is predominantly basic Bi2O3. So bismuth is predominantly basic nature. And higher oxidation state one is more acidic than lower oxidation state. For example, N2O5 is more acidic than N2O3 because of the N2O5 in the nitrogen shows plus 5 oxygen state, and N2O3 nitrogen shows plus 3. So acidic nature of oxides in down the group decreases, this one. So from this acidic nature of these oxides, top to bottom, acidic nature is decreases. So these are N2O3, P2O3 are acidic. As2O3, Sb2O3. These oxides are amphoteric nature. So that means sometimes acidic and sometimes basic, and Bi2O3 is basic nature, predominantly basic nature. Next one is reactivity towards the halogens. Reactivity towards the halogens, in that these 15th group elements are going to form halides. Two series of halides are formed by these 15th group elements. One is EX3 and one is EX5. So EX3 means E equal to, you take nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Nitrogen does not form EX5 due to non-availability of d orbitals. So nitrogen does not going to form NF5, okay, and NCCl5 like that because of non-availability of d orbitals, non-availability. And covalent nature, EX5 is more covalent than EX3. For example, you take PCl5 and PCl3. So PCl5 is more covalent than PCl3. PCl3 and PCl5 in this. PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trichloride, it is a pyramidal shape, like this pyramidal shape. And PCl5, Cl, 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 trigonal bipyramidal shape. It is a sp3 dehybridization. This is a sp3 hybridization. PCl3 is sp3 hybridization and PCl5 is a sp3d hybridization. Availability of d orbitals in phosphorus. So it is going to involve sp3d hybridization to form a PCl5 halide. And all these trihalides of these elements except those nitrogens are stable. In case of nitrogen, only NF3 is known to stable. NF3 is known to stable. Okay. And trihalides except BiF3 predominantly covalent nature. Trihalides except BiF3 predominantly covalent in nature. XY is more covalent than EX3. So, except all trihalides, BiF3 is predominantly covalent in nature. Nitrogen does not form EX5 pentahalides due to non-availability of d orbitals. Activity towards the metals. These 15th group elements reacted with metals to form binary compounds with minus 3 oxygen state. So, some of the binary compounds in this Ca3N2 calcium nitride and Ca3P2 calcium phosphide, Na3AS2 sodium arsenide, Zn3Sb2 zinc antimonide, Mg3Bi2 magnesium bismuthide, dinitrogen N2, dinitrogen preparation commercially N2 produced by the liquefaction and fractional distillation of air, and liquid nitrogen is boiling point is 77.2 Kelvin. In the laboratory, dinitrogen is prepared by the treating an aqueous solution of ammonium chloride with sodium nitrate. Ammonium chloride with sodium nitrate. Between these two, the reaction is take place in laboratory. We get nitrogen and H2O and NaCl. In ammonium chloride reaction with sodium nitrate, we get N2 plus H2O and NaCl. And thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. Thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. NH4 taken twice, Cr2O7. By the applying of heat, thermal decomposition it take place. We get N2 plus 4 H2O plus Cr2O3. Very pure form of nitrogen obtained by the thermal decomposition of sodium or barium azide. Sodium and barium azide. For example, we take barium azide BaN3 taken twice. By applying heat, thermal decomposition, we get barium plus 3N2. Next, properties. Properties of N2. N2 is colorless and tasteless, non-toxic gas, and this nitrogen have two isotopes, that is N14 and N15 isotopes. Isotopes means nitrogen atomic number 7, so its mass is 14, and also the nitrogen is going to available N15 also, N15. So these two are atomic number same, but molecular mass is different, so those are called as isotopes. So generally top changes are called as isotopes. It is a clue. Nitrogen have lower freezing point and lower boiling point. N2 is inert at room temperature. N2 is inert at room temperature, but reaction with metals at high temperature. So lithium react with nitrogen, we get Li3N. This is a ionic nitride. And magnesium with N2, we get Mg3N2. This is one of the ionic nitride. And reaction with non-metals, we get covalent nitrides. Nitrogen gas combined with hydrogen gas at 773 Kelvin temperature, we get ammonia. So this reaction carry out in the presence of catalyst. So we called as Haber process, ammonia preparation. So Haber process is there. We get the energy delta H equal to minus 46.1 kilojoule mole inverse. And dinitrogen combined with oxygen at very high temperature, at about 2000 Kelvin temperature, combined with oxygen at high temperature, we get nitrogen monoxide. This nitrogen is mainly used for the manufacture of ammonia, ammonia. Preparation is take place by the nitrogen, and industrial chemicals containing nitrogen like calcium cyanide, and it is also found to the inert atmosphere is required. The liquid nitrogen used as refrigerant to preserve biological materials and food items. Decomposition of NaN3, we get 2Na plus 3N2. Thermal decomposition of NaN3, we get 2Na plus 3N2, one of the question.